Yay, perfect. That's how we get some nicely textured milk. Just want to make sure that there's enough air going in there. Get in there. Oh, yeah, that's definitely ready. Yay, it looks good, y'all. Alright, so we're cleaning the seam wands, prevent milk fat buildup and bacteria and all of that. Then we're going to purge it as well. Cool. Look at this milk. Yay! It's nicely textured. I'm just going to mix it all in. It's starting to look like wet paint, which is what we want. Now I'm going to take the espresso over here and pour. So we're going to create the base and stuff. Ooh, one heart. Let's see if I can create another heart. Okay, maybe not. Definitely one heart. Looks good. Yay! And of course, because I like to keep things garnished, I'm going to sprinkle some fresh lavender flowers on top and just a few rose petals. Right there. Some lavender flowers. And let's get the rose petals. So happy that we got the right texture. No. I'm gonna actually rinse these rose petals so they don't look a little wet, or so that they can actually be a little wet too. Much better. Yay. Awesome. And there we have it, y'all. A Lavender-Rose Latte to start our day. That rhymes.